Hello guys, welcome to Set the Coder. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing some Python challenges. We're gonna see these 4 questions. We're gonna see how fast can we actually do these questions. Um, I pretty basically don't know. This is the first time I'm trying it. Let's start. So let's read the first one. Write a function that takes a string as input and returns that string in reverse order. Oh wait, this is actually easy. Let's write a string first. Hello world. Okay, now that we wrote string, we're gonna say string here. I'm gonna say return string dash double dash is -1. I believe this should work. Yep, done. The first one was easy. These are all easy. I just want to see how fast can we do that. Check if a given string is a palindrome. Okay, this is a bit. It's not that hard. We're gonna say. Give me palindrome. Wait, let me check palindrome. What's a... Okay, so there is this one called Raskar. Yeah, this one. This one is a palindrome. Okay, now we're gonna see if it's true. Okay, now we're gonna say, right here, we got it. If string is the same as string, double dashes, -1, and if that is true, then return print true. Else print false. Okay, now this should print true and false. Oh, else. There we go, true. And let's say if we have a non-palindrome, we have to get false. Yep, already works. 2 minutes in, come on guys, we can do this. I use a list comprehension to square each odd number in a list. Ooh, not bad. Now we need a list comprehension every single odd number. So we're gonna say every single odd number starts at 1. So we're gonna say number starts at 1, right? And now we need for a list comprehension. This is actually okay, so we're gonna say array is equal to, this is the hardest one, array. I mean it's easy, but each odd number. When I started writing this, I thought there was no odd number because I just copy pasted from chatgpt pretty basically. So array is gonna be power number squared for I in range terms. Or how many terms? Let's just do 10. And this always go and go on. So power of number. You know what? We're gonna write all the odd numbers here because they didn't say we can do that. So why not? If you have better code than me, which you 100% will, please let me know in the comments. But we need to read each one. Power I. Oh, I could just have used I. Oh my goodness. I'm wonderful. But I don't care. Power I 2 for I in range. Okay, I destroyed my speedrun, but I don't care. Power I squared for I in range. Let's do 10 times. And then let's print it. Okay, let's see it, and we should have. Yup, it works. Now the last one. Ends up file, then writes its content. Okay, I'm gonna, this is a huge mess, I know, I'm sorry. But okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write hello world. I'm just gonna write some random text. Hello world, I am sad, 12 years old, from Morocco. Okay, now what I'm gonna say, we need this reversed. So we will say, so we're opening the file. So this is the file. we need to open it. Now read is gonna be file.read, reading is gonna be file.read, and then we're gonna say we need an output, so we're gonna say output is going to be come on, open output.txt, and then we read, no, we write in it, and then we're gonna say output.write reading, like that. Okay, so when we run this, I should get no errors again. Errors. Let's check the output now. So this is the output. There we go. Okay, speedrun. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. I'm not happy. I could have done way better. I'm train. I will train, and I might do it tomorrow. But let's just see what will happen. Tomorrow I may do it in 3 minutes. Something like that. If I will have another idea. Also, if you have an idea, please let me know down below, because I sometimes need some ideas. And this was the end. This is the end. Yeah, this ended pretty quick. I mean, the video is pretty quick. Usually my videos are like 10 minutes, 12 minutes. My most popular video is 7 minutes, not being offensive, but at the same time, I guess there's one more thing to say now. Goodbye.